Debo prepararlos. I must prepare them. I must prepare them. Debo, I must, prepararlos. Prepare them. I must prepare them. Debo prepararlos. Envíalo en esta caja. Send it in this box. Send it in this box. Envíalo. Send it en esta. In this caja. Box. Send it in this box. Envíalo en esta caja. Send it in this box. Ellos fueron maltratados. They were mistreated. They were mistreated. Ellos, they, fueron, were, maltratados, mistreated. They were mistreated. Ellos fueron maltratados. Había asumido que era hoy. I had assumed that it was today. I had assumed that it was today. Había, I had, asumido, assumed, que, that, era, it was, hoy, today. I had assumed that it was today. Había asumido que era hoy. No pude hacer todo. I could not do everything. I could not do everything. No pude. I could not hacer, do, todo, everything. I could not do everything. No pude hacer todo. I could not do everything. Todo salió bien. Everything went smoothly. Everything went smoothly. Todo, everything, salió, went, bien, smoothly. Everything went smoothly. ¿Cuál color prefieres? Which color do you prefer? Which color do you prefer? ¿Cuál? Which? Color? Color? ¿Prefieres? Do you prefer? Which color do you prefer? ¿Cuál color prefieres? Which color do you prefer? ¿Será breve? Will it be brief? Will it be brief? ¿Será? Will it be breve? Brief? Will it be brief? ¿Será breve? Los puse en el refrigerador. I put them in the fridge. I put them in the fridge. Los puse. I put them in the refrigerador. Fridge. I put them in the fridge. Los puse en el refrigerador. Envié la mitad. I sent half. I sent half. Envié. I sent la mitad. Half. El bebé quiere nuestra atención. The baby wants our attention. The baby wants our attention. El bebé, the baby, quiere, wants, nuestra, our, atención, attention. The baby wants our attention. El bebé quiere nuestra atención. ¿Habrá una segunda cita? Will there be a second appointment? Will there be a second appointment? ¿Habrá? Will there be una segunda? A second cita? Appointment? Would there be a second appointment? ¿Habrá una segunda cita? Tengo muchas cosas que apreciar. I have many things to appreciate. I have many things to appreciate. Tengo, I have, muchas, many, cosas, things, que apreciar, to appreciate. I have many things to appreciate. Tengo muchas cosas que apreciar. Esta entrega es para ti. This delivery is for you. This delivery is for you. Esta, this, entrega, delivery, es para is for ti, you. This delivery is for you. Esta entrega es para ti. Oscurece en media hora. It gets dark in half an hour. It gets dark in half an hour. Oscurece. It gets dark in media, half, hora, an hour. It gets dark in half an hour. Oscurece en media hora. Úsalo cuando haga frío. Use it when it gets cold. Use it when it gets cold. Úsalo. Use it. Cuando. When. Haga. It gets. Frío. Cold. Úsalo cuando haga frío. Use it when it gets cold. Comparto las mismas aspiraciones. I share the same aspirations. I share the same aspirations. Comparto. I share. Las mismas. The same. Aspiraciones. Aspirations. Comparto las mismas aspiraciones. I share the same aspirations. Uno más no hará daño. One more will not hurt. One more will not hurt. Uno más. One more. No hará. Will not. Daño. Hurt. One more will not hurt. Uno más no hará daño. Haré ejercicio un rato. I will exercise for a while. I will exercise for a while. Haré. I will. Ejercicio. Exercise. Un rato. For a while. I will exercise for a while. Haré ejercicio un rato. Estaré en el pasillo si me necesitas. I will be in the hallway if you need me. I will be in the hallway if you need me. Estaré. I will be en el, in the pasillo, hallway, si, if me necesitas. You need me. I will be in the hallway if you need me. Estoy en la otra oficina. I am in the other office. I am in the other office. Estoy. I am. En la. In the. Otra. Other. Oficina. Office. Estoy en la otra oficina. I am in the other office. Me lastimé la espalda aquí. I hurt my back here. I hurt my back here. Me lastimé. I hurt la espalda, my back, aquí, here. I hurt my back here. Me lastimé la espalda aquí. ¿Has hecho terapia? Have you done therapy? Have you done therapy? Has, have you, hecho, done, terapia, therapy? ¿Has hecho terapia? Have you done therapy? Ponlo en tu oído. Put it in your ear. Put it in your ear. Ponlo. Put it en tu, in your oído, ear. Put it in your ear.